Hadley's 8 months today. Hadley. Oh, you're going to get Toby's tail? Get his tail. Oh, you got it. Hadley, can you say hi? Hadley, can you clap your hands? Clap, 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 clap. Oh, Toby, really? That's Adley's toy. Here's Toby with Adley's toy. He thinks everything is his. Toby, you're not going to chew that. And here's Adley doing what she does best. Chews on her toys. Adley, are you chewing on your... Oh my goodness, tell us about it. Oh. Get him. Get him. Oh, something new. Oh, get him. You're going to fall over, girl. Adley, can you say hi to the camera? Adley, can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, hi, girl. Hi. Hey. Adley, look. Hi. 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 Can you say hi? Hi. Hi, Adley. Hi. Oh, good girl. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Good girl. I know. Good girl. And blow bubbles. Alright, say bye, Adley. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adley, can you say bye-bye? Adley. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're done? Okay. Happy 8-month birthday! Adley, can you say bye-bye?